Hello and welcome. Now it's time to use smart ways. We are already aware that how we can install multi-container application manually. Here we are going to understand how we can install multi-container application using Docker Compose. We are going to use same application, even we are going to use same Docker host. So let's start. Here we have just 3-step process. So we are going to start with the setup Docker host. As you know that we are using this particular Docker host, we have our application already installed. If I am going to open this particular application, it is working as well. So here we have application or containers running. Now we want to install same application using Docker Compose. So I'm going to remove all the containers, I'm going to remove volume, I'm going to remove networking parts as well. So here we have steps to remove everything from our Docker host, kind of cleanup task. So clean up existing Docker host. First of all, log in as a root. I am already logged in, so no need to worry about this. Now stop all the 3 containers. Now if you give the command docker ps, you will find out that all the containers are running. So you can use command docker stop web. When we are stopping the container, it will take almost 30 seconds. So yes, we need to wait. Now docker stop adminer, and finally we need to stop docker db. You cannot delete containers directly. You have to stop them and then you can remove them. Now we are stopping adminer. Now docker db. Docker stop db. So we just stop all the container. Now we need to remove this. To remove the container, we need to use docker rm container name. So right now it is stopping db. Let's remove them. So docker rm db, docker rm adminer, and docker rm web. Now if I am giving command docker ps or docker ps a means all, it is not showing me any container. It means everything is done. If I am going to open this website, it is not going to work, right? Because all the containers are now deleted. Now we have this bridge network as well. So here we need to use docker network rm bridge name. So what I am doing, let's use clear command docker network ls. Here we have this particular my network. So I am going to give command docker network rm my network. Then I am going to give command docker network ls, and now I am not getting this in the list. Keep this in mind that I am deleting everything because we want to understand how we can use Docker Compose, and we can build everything using Docker Compose YAML file. So that's why I am clearing everything and remove all the images. So let me go to given command docker volume ls. Here you will find out that I have MySQL data as well. So let me remove this docker volume rm MySQL underscore data. So I just deleted the volume as well. So there is no volume. And then finally we have docker images. So these are the docker images I have. So we can use docker rmi and image name. So docker.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.